Today we're taking a quick look at the ST-IIIB 4G wireless alarm system, a smart security solution designed to protect homes, shops, and offices with real-time monitoring and alerts. This system combines GSM and PSTN networks, automatically switching between them to ensure reliable communication. When an alarm is triggered, it can send SMS messages and phone calls directly to your mobile device. It supports up to 32 wireless zones and 8 wired zones, allowing you to connect motion sensors, door sensors, smoke detectors, and more. The built-in alarm produces up to 110 decibels, ensuring that any intrusion is immediately noticed. With app control, you can arm or disarm the system remotely, monitor activity, and even listen in through the built-in communication features. The system also includes a backup battery, providing up to 8 hours of operation during power outages. If you're looking for an affordable and flexible home security system with real-time alerts, the ST-IIIB alarm system is a solid choice.